welcome to the media day of Flash Vertical Velocity.
Savior of the universe.
What's up, guys? I'm the East Coaster fan. I am here for my very first ever media day for Flash Vertical Velocity. Trust me, I am so excited to be here. One, because I've been wanting to do a media day just in general, not even just for East Coaster fan, but attending one. It's looked like so much fun, and I'll finally be able to say that I've ridden a coaster on its real opening day. But because it's for East Coaster fan, I'm gonna be able to get some awesome content for you guys, including an on-ride reaction, which I'm super pumped about. So 2 days ago, I actually came here for the photo shoot for Flash, and it was an interesting day. I was technically a Six Flags employee for 7 hours. It was kind of weird, but at least I got this awesome photo of me riding it. So yes, I have ridden Flash before, and I think it's... You thought I'd share my thoughts now. No, you guys gotta wait. So with that being said, I hear Flash going right now. It's going through the stall right there. But more importantly, let's head inside the park. If you look here, they actually updated the map for Six Flags Great Adventure, which looks a lot more of Cedar Fair style. Also, if you look here, they renamed Deja Vu to just Scrambler, which is kind of interesting. And you could see multiple locations of refresh stations that'll be coming throughout the park, which is very nice. I gotta say, you really couldn't have asked for a better media day weather-wise. It is perfectly blue skies, no clouds at all. It's a little cool right now, but it is the morning, but it's good enough for sweatshirt weather, and I'm really excited to get back on Flash for more rides. Over here in this new arboretum they have set up next to Justice League, they have the Speedster Central, which is a store. Oh, we got a drone over here. I'm loving this. They got a bunch of Flash merchandise, some directly for the coaster, like that Flash Vertical Velocity shirt, some just normal Flash material. But more importantly, they have a bunch of food here, and I'm pretty hungry, so might have to give some a try. And yes, I will eat some sweets as well, even though it's 9:30 in the morning. Over the course of the day, you're gonna recognize probably a lot of enthusiasts that are online. I'll see if I can showcase them on the channel, or if they're busy, I'll just let them do their thing, because I want their content to be the best it can possibly be. But I am here with Cam and Michael here. I can at least show them. And Chris. Hello there. Yeah, we met during East Coaster actually, but this is your first time on the channel.
It is.
Have you gotten on Flash so far?
Not yet. I've been just admiring it, eating some food. They gave me Brussels sprouts and mac and cheese at 9 a.m. in the morning.
Sounds perfect. Something the Flash would eat, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Well,
It's gotta stay
Flash
fit.
has to eat 1,000 cheeseburgers a day to maintain his calories.
It's a great ride.
Oh, it's Sammy. Hello, Sammy-o. I think the only thing that can make this day better is us getting on the ride for the first time of the day. So let's head over there now. About to enter the ride through this portal here, the same portal that was used for Cyborg. And look who we have here.
How are you, my
It's the
friends?
Flash himself.
Stay fast now, okay?
Along the path, they also have new posters here in place of where Cyborg was. And it is weird going through those queue lines again. But we're gonna head inside this box here. And I do mean a box, unfortunately, because it's just cowl pins and the stage here. I'm not sure if they're gonna do something here in the future, but it's kind of just bare right now. But I do love the audio. One thing that's quite amazing is that they transformed this section of the station to a sort of TV studio. They have the cameras here, they can see all the angles, and of course they have the camera attached to the train, and that's how they'll get our shot. But just really cool how they do this whole thing. And the queue is not too bad. It's mainly there and it's moving. Definitely shorter than how it will be opening day and throughout the season. All right, got our first rides in for the day. Actually 2, because we did back to back since the camera was having an issue. And that ride's great. I am a big fan of this coaster. It's a great, like, moderate thrill where it's not too intense for young kids, but like, it's sort of a great introductory coaster in my eyes. And there are some great moments to it. The hang time you get after the 3rd launch is amazing. The airtime hill that you get going into the double up, also a great element. It is just a really fun, like, re-rideable coaster, and something that I think Great Adventure desperately needed in this park. And I'm not just saying that because I'm here for Media Day. I genuinely think this is like a number 3 in the park behind El Toro and Nitro in my eyes. That was kind of my thoughts during the photo shoot, but I just kind of like reaffirmed them in my eyes after doing that ride today, and I'm sure after multiple rides this entire Media Day.
I was able to get like second to back row, and wow, that actually shot up a bit more for me. Early, not in the park, it's still number 3 in the park for me, but in terms of the overall rides, the back car I think is where it's really at. You get a ton of great air on the double up and down. Crazy whip. Crazy whip kind of going out of the stall when you're in the back.
Look at that thing, that's crazy. Who is on that train? They're freaking out.
I think this is a really great ride. I think it was very well worth the wait. The hang time in the back car is insane. Even on those last 2 rides, because we got the 2 double rides, the positives are actually really good. A lot more than I thought there would be. For having this in my backyard, I think this is great. Have another Vekoma, the first modern thrill Vekoma in North America too, not just a Super Boomerang. I would say it's the 2nd best yellow coaster in the park.
I think everyone here is enjoying it as well, having the same sentiment. Please build more Vekomas in the US like this, or make them custom layouts. Either way, I love this ride.
Oh wait, roll back. Oh, it got roll back, it rolled back, it rolled back! We got ourselves a rollback.
Yeah! Oh my god. Well, did not expect to get that today.
Oh.
There's everybody over there. And here come the riders now.
The first evactees of the
There's just a huge crowd of people here seeing how it would happen. And Sammy actually got on it. You were on the train.
Elusive.
Yeah.
That was wild. It gives a good punch on that launch when you go back up. The moment it didn't hit that, we knew.
Yeah, we were gonna evac. They weren't gonna relaunch us.
They just sent it again. Let's see.
Oh wow, look at all these doozies. Oh.
Nope. Back it goes. Yeah, go back to that. All right, well, that's how it's done. Well, Flash broke down, so we're spending our time watching the Nintendo Direct.
The last Nintendo Switch 1 Direct. Let's go.
The only Nintendo news I know about, the Seattle Mariners got a ad patch of Nintendo, and they are absolutely ginormous. The thing that really annoys me, they have a teal jersey, and it's a giant red square on the teal jersey, and that like really annoys the crap out of me. That's the only Nintendo news I pay attention to.
Fair enough. We're also given this drink here. This is going to be a new item at Villain's Cafe. It's going to be grenadine, orange juice, and Sprite. And this is the non-alcoholic version, but they are also going to have an alcoholic version of this drink as well. It looks good. I'm going to give it a taste and see how it is. Pretty good.
Yeah.
You know, things are going back to normal when they got the drone out here, ready to get more shots on the ride. And speaking of which, people are entering the line, so I might go back there as well. All right, the ride is back open now, and I'm gonna be going as a part of Michael's recorded ride, so you might see me in the background of his video. So a few rides down on Flash Vertical Velocity, and in trying a few different seats now, I think the back's definitely the best part, just because of how high you go up that spike and some of the elements. You whip a little bit more down that turn and get a little bit more airtime. But really all the seats are great on this ride, and either way you're still going to have a really great time on Flash Vertical Velocity. Now in terms of left and right seat, I don't know yet. I gotta ride it a little bit more, I think, just over the course of the season. But like I said, it's just a lot of fun. So we've just been chilling around and getting footage of the ride in various places, which you've of course seen in this video. And it's really cool just how the ride like interacts with this part of the park, and the fact that most coasters at Great Adventure are on the boundaries and this really isn't. Thought I'd give you an update on Media Day. I am currently sitting at 9 rides in total, so that includes the one from yesterday. So in getting one more ride, which is gonna be my recorded one and my last ride, that'll bring it up to 10. Funny enough, that's more than some coasters I've actually done in this park already my whole life, like Green Lantern. But I'm not upset about that. In fact, I really like this ride. I think you can tell that a lot from just me praising it throughout this video, but it's a lot of fun, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it when you get down here. Life could be a dream. You can't make this stuff up. It stopped again, and there's Sammy, and there's Colin. They were on the one before as well. My God. Well, I guess I'll be waiting a little bit longer for my ride.
20 minutes later.
I'm here with Blue Diamond Coasters. Behind me is Hyper Thrills, and a whole train of great riders behind me. And we're ready to go. We are going to be launching forward, backwards, going up a spike, getting lots of hang time. It's going to be a fun ride, and here we go. All right, that was first launch, and we're rolling backwards into our second. Wow! Woo! Into our third launch. Oh my God! Love this hang time. Next launch! Whoa! Wow! All right, 0G, and up the spike, and now we're about to do the whole thing backwards. Woo! Oh my God! Wow! Whoa! Okay, one more hang time moment. Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, that was great.
That was good, right?
Yes.
You guys got to come out here to Six Flags Great Adventure and experience Flash Vertical Velocity. All right, I hope you enjoyed that ride on Flash Vertical Velocity. We were the last train of the day, funny enough. And you can see they're doing actually one more, but you can hear audio on the train. So that wasn't playing for the media day, of course, because of like copyright and stuff, but they got it. So for opening day and beyond, you can expect onboard audio in addition to the cool lights. And that's gonna mark the end of the media day, so we're gonna be heading out of the park, but I'll be able to share my thoughts. Also, I got my hard drive with East Coast on it. Left the park now, and first of all, I just wanna, they just want to flash again. First of all, I wanna thank Six Flags Great Adventure PR, and as well as the Alpha and Omega Entertainment teams for organizing a really fun media event. and I feel really privileged to have been able to share this event with you as part of East Coaster Fan. Overall, I'm a big fan of Flash, like I've been saying throughout this whole video, and I can't wait for you guys to check it out during the course of the year. And I'll definitely be getting on it more and more throughout the season with like skip the lines and stuff, and I can't wait to see if it warms up over the course of the year. With that being said, I think you guys seen enough Flash for this video, so I think I'm tired and I'm gonna head home now.